In this video, I'm going to show you how to live stream on Twitch from mobile, on iPhone, and also on Android. So you'll have basically to install the Twitch application, both your iPhone and Android. Then you will have to go and open it up. As an example, it just starts by iPhone. So here, let's just click on login and log in into your account. If you don't have an account, you'll have to go and click on sign up to create an account. Very easy. So once you're connected, an example, to your account, you'd find yourself here. So in here, as an example, I'll find a plus icon at the bottom right, or at the bottom like corner, not corner, middle. If you click on plus, you'll find stream games or stream IRL. You can choose whatever suits you. I'm just going to stream IRL. So you'll have to enable microphone and also camera. And once you do so, you'll be able to start your stream right now. So, for example, the stream is offline. If you click on this option, you'll be able, first of all, to do like a step, simple like delay. So if something happens, example, you'll be noticing, and you'll be able also to turn, as example, your camera. And here you are, you have your stream. You'll be able to see how many followers, the viewers, uptime. You'll be able to mute your microphone. And example, stream manager, stream info, hide chats example, or show chats. It's totally up to you. And yeah, so this is how you stream on an iPhone. For me, I'm just going to end stream right here. And of course, you'll have the footage review or VODs and everything. So for me, I'm just going to close that. Now let's just go and switch to Android. So for Android example, you can just go and do the same. Open your Twitch account. And let me just go, wait, of course, log in into your account. Let me just log in again. And of course, here we are, we're logged in. It's going to be the same. So click on plus, you can stream URL or stream games. I'm going to click on stream URL, click on got it. And here we'll be able to start our stream. So click on start streaming. Of course, you'll have to give it a title. Just give it a title. So just for some reason, this doesn't happen in iPhone, but it's fine. So give it a title. And of course, okay, let's just fill up everything. So just chatting, example. So yeah, and let's just hope that's it. And yeah, it seems like we are live at the moment. So no followers, no viewers, but as you can see, you can end the stream whenever you want again. So it was smoother a little bit on like iPhone, but I'm using here an emulator, not a real phone. So I guess it's a little bit fair and fine. So yeah, that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.